Hey, so at home activity 5, we're going to talk about chromatography. Here is my strip of paper towel. It's about an inch up. It's a little dot of green food coloring. And here I have my clear cup with some water in it. And when I insert this strip of paper into the cup, the color is going to travel up the strip of paper. But first I'm going to talk about a little bit of the science behind this experiment and the connection to our reading for this week. So the explanation behind the science experiment is chromatography. Chromatography involves taking a mixture and using a liquid to separate it into the different parts that comprise it. According to the Basics of Chromatography, which was posted by Khan Academy, the water is the solvent, but is to remain low so that it is not above the level of the spot on your paper. Capillary action takes place and the solvent will travel up the paper towel. The experiment relates to Chapter 5 because students who participate in this experiment are generating and evaluating scientific evidence. Students are conducting scientific investigations by observing the change that takes place with the strip of paper and the water. After completing the experiment, students should go on to communicate what they did in the experiment and the knowledge they gained from the action. According to page 122, in Teaching Science to Every Child, Culture is a Starting Point, reflective thought is defined as the active, persistent, and careful consideration of any belief or supposed form of knowledge in the light of the grounds that support it, and the further conclusions to which it tends. So if students predict, observe, and conclude during this experiment, they are engaging in the important process of reflective thought. So now I am going to show you as we start this experiment. So again, there's the green dot on my towel. It's a tiny little one. I use a toothpick to put it there. And here is my cup of water. So I'm going to set it over here and move the camera so that you can see it well. So here it goes in here. So it's traveling up. So the color is kind of traveling up this strip of paper.